The table shows the elevations of some locations around the world that are below sea level. Sea level is represented by an elevation of 0 meters. And although I think you guys already knew that, that's going to be an important point for this problem. So here are all these different places, US and Australia and the DR and Mexico. They want to know which statement is true. All right, so first, they already told us in the problem. Since we're talking about elevation, I'm going to draw a number line that goes up and down is right. And if this is 0, we need to figure out where all of these other ones are. Okay, and this is just like what we've done in class when we asked ourselves what the worst that can happen is. So out of all of these things, if you think about it like money, this would be losing $86, this would be losing 16 bucks. What is the worst out of all of these that could happen? Go ahead and call it out if you know it. Yeah, if you said that one, that means this is going to go to the bottom. Okay? Death Valley. Next, what is the next worst? Oh, that would be Lago Enriquillo in the DR. You see how I tried to say that? Because I'm slick like that. Minus 46 or negative 46. The next worst, Lake Eyre in Australia, negative 16. And again, I'm just estimating where these go. And then finally, negative 10. Okay? So, we're going to use that information. I'm actually going to put next to these, this is the US one. This is the one in DR. Negative 16 was the one in Australia. And this one was the one in Mexico. Okay? So this is sea level. And the further down you go, the lower below sea level it is. Okay? So, first one. Which statement is true? Death Valley has the highest elevation. Death Valley is negative 86. No way, that has the lowest one. That's definitely wrong. Lake Eyre has a higher elevation than Laguna Salada. So Laguna Salada, which sounds like Hakuna Matata, but Laguna Salada is this one. Has a higher elevation. So Lake Eyre has a higher elevation than Laguna Salada. Here's Lake Eyre, that's this one. This one is higher than this one. That's not true either. Okay, letter C. Lago Enriquillo is farther than Death Valley from sea level. Okay, Lago Enriquillo is the one in the DR. That's this one here. That's further from sea level than Death Valley. Here's sea level. No, wait. Death Valley is further away. That one's not right either. Let's see. Laguna Salada is closer than Lago Enriquillo to sea level. Laguna Salada, let me see. That's this one. That's the Mexico one. Is closer than Lago Enriquillo. That is correct. Okay, this is not an easy problem. It says elevation. You need to draw out your number line and just go step by step and take your time and make sure you figure out which statement is true. Okay, for this one, the correct answer is letter D.